All right, we're back, finally, with another Money Origami Originals. Today I've got the big heart. Know someone with a big heart? Give them the big heart. So, yeah, every once in a while I want to do a video that's not origami. So if you're not interested, you don't have to watch it. Just don't unsubscribe. I mean, the channel's pretty small, and rather than starting another channel that may or may not take off, so every once in a while it's going to be a off origami topic. Uh, so this thing's pretty cool. Wanted to make a big one, and so the shaping is kind of to your taste. All right, so let's not forget that. Oh, let's show you the back, and you can make it flat totally, or you can do this so it'll kind of sit up a little bit. Hopefully it just barely sits up. So, all right, let's get started. 667. I'll have to skip the next bill, huh? All right, so the side you want facing out, turn up. So this time I'm going to make it with the green on the back. And go ahead and make a valley fold on the green back side. And you can crease that. Now just bring one corner over to the edge and give it a tiny little pinch. All right. Now from that pinch to this corner, make your fold. So swing that over all the way to that center crease. And crease that down too. So yeah, I'm going to do an electronic video, I believe, next. So if you want it flat, you could just leave this like this right now. If you want it totally flat, and then just shape your heart. And then if you want it to sit up a little bit, or you can even bow it somewhat. Like that. And then you can have it curved back. So it's an easy heart though, because now all you got to do is shape it. And to make the shaping the same on both sides, we're going to make this other crease. But if you want it to be real flat and with this piece laying over, you can shape each side independently. So the choice is yours. But I'm going to try to do, all the folds from the one I showed at the beginning. So then just bring this other side over to match that angle fold that we just made. See, so now it's like this. All right. And then here's half the heart. So you can start shaping it. So I was folding right at the edge of the one there, the little point of the bottom edge of the number one, and just making a vertical crease. And you can shape it however you want. Now I do have another heart. I'll put a link up there in the card. And that's my standing heart. Now I suggest that you shape that a little bit better than I did in that video. Wasn't the best shaping job, but it's a cool heart. It stands up and it's not like anybody else's. So after you fold in one side, see, then you can, with it folded in half, you can use that as a guide for the other side so that you can get them nice and even. Uniform shape on both sides. So you can do it as much as you want. Like if you want it like more of a straight line geometric heart, you can just fold that and then fold the top point down. And you can have a heart that looks like that, see? But you can shape it as much as you want. You can really get them pretty curvy if you just do start off with the big folds like these and then make some smaller folds. Well, maybe that one's not smaller, but you'll see what I mean in a moment. So, yeah, I hadn't given away any origami in a long time. And I guess that's part of the reason I didn't really make any new ones. I forgot how much fun it is to give someone an origami, how excited they get about them if you get the right one for the right person. And so I gave away a few last weekend. And they really liked them. See, now we've got a nice rounding on the top going on. And that's pretty much it if you want it to sit flat. See, but we don't want it to come apart. So then if you want to make this little other tiny spot, and if we curve it a lot, then it's got a nice little bulging shape to it. So there's several ways you can do this part, but we don't want it to come apart. See, well, it's an open heart like that. See, real easy to spend. Now you can just fold this over to lock it if you want it to be flat, or you can fold this over if you want it to be bowed. And just make sure it stays together when you're making this crease. And then fold it back the other way. And there's other ways to do these. But this way is probably the easiest to demonstrate. I don't know. Now, hold these together, but open this and flatten it down here. So I'm going to cheat a little by opening it up a little and doing it. Now, the first way I did do it was like this. So bring these up. So now it's like that. See? And then we're just going to pinch this together with a crease. So we're just going to fold that over like that. Nice and tight. And then while pinching this, you can open this up. And then you can bring this around as much as you want. If you want the curving bowed front there. And then you can pull it back out if you want it to kind of sit up. And there's the heart. All right, so I hope you enjoyed that. I think it's the biggest $1 origami heart I've seen. Well, it is the biggest I've seen. So, all right. So there it is. Appreciate you watching, sharing, liking if you want, subscribing. Sure. All right. Take care. Have a nice holiday. Bye-bye.